Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today, I just did the unboxing of the Cricut, and now we're going to be unboxing a big one. We'll see if I can get y'all a good shot at it. What I'll be doing. I'll show this and you can only guess. Okay, so for the rest of the video, I decided to just go ahead and do a voiceover because the background was a little loud and I was playing a video in it, and I don't want that to interfere with the video. So right now, what happened was my camera cut off. Well, my phone cut off from recording, and it didn't catch me the initial opening of the box. So I just reshot this part. So this is, once you open the box, you will get this is the machine. And over the machine, you will get your carrying tray, well, your holding tray that you use to like hold your rolls of vinyl. And you will get your, you get that tray and the stick that comes with it that holds it. And you'll get your mat. This is the 24 by 24 mat. Specifically for this machine. This is me trying to open the tray with one hand because not only did my camera not record me opening the box, my tripod did not want to hold my phone. So yeah, excuse my hands because I was ashy. I had just washed them from opening the other machine. It's me struggling with the tape. My camera cut off again, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the trays. And that's the blades. You get the blade and the blade holder. And then there's the port, the USB port to connect to your computer. And of course, your holding tray. I'm now opening the adapter. That's the wall plug, and of course the connection to the computer for the power source. This is the rest of the tray. The tray is it's divided up in like 3 different pieces, 3 or 4 different pieces, not including the long part that you see me picking up now. That just goes in the back end. I'm gonna try to create another video of me actually using it. I don't remember if I got footage of how I set it up once everything was over, because I had to stop and go and watch another YouTube video and see how to actually set that up, because it is a bit confusing if you haven't watched any videos of anybody setting it up before. So it's a pretty big machine, of course. It was much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But yeah, so this is me struggling to get it out of the box that it comes in. This is actually a really great machine for me. I'm actually glad that I went ahead and got it, because it helps with my production time so much when I have multiple orders. The only issue is you can't find vinyl that is 24 inches in width in one color. So for me, I just double up the 12 inches and make it work like that. But it sucks that you can't find like 24-inch roll vinyl already, ready to just load into the machine. Okay, so of course, with Silhouette, it's gonna pack everything up. So once you get it out of the box, it was too long for me to fit into the frame, so I do apologize for that. Like I stated, it is 24 inches cutting, so you can only imagine the extra inches that it is for the actual machine. So that's me unwrapping it, and of course you have the tape, the infamous blue tape. It's me struggling with the paper in the background. Couldn't get it off my fingers. So yeah, that's the tape. And clearly I pulled it off the first one wrong. Trying to do it backwards, and so I can make sure that it's showing. And yeah, it was not helping myself at all trying to show the actual machine to the camera and untape it. It was no joke. Slide it over, get the other sides of the tape off. As you can see, I had my computer ready to load up because this was during my graduation orders. So I had high school graduation orders to complete, and this machine came right on time because it really did cut down my cutting time. And funneling with vinyl, you know how it goes when you're kind of trying to get jobs done and your vinyl rolls just won't act right with you. So it really does cut down on cutting time though, and it gives the option to speed up the cut so it cuts faster. The precision on this machine is actually pretty good. It's not as hard, like a lot of people said they were having issues with like getting it loaded. But of course it's going to be different. So I mean, like, what do you expect? It's a longer roll. Of course you're going to struggle with it if you're just one person. I don't know why in the world I wore a dress trying to do this, but it was kind of like last minute, and that's what I had on. So I was like, let me record myself unboxing it, because I didn't see many unboxing videos on this machine like there is for all the others. But that's the inside of it. It's the inside of the machine. What that looks like. It looks basically like the usual, the non-pro Cameo. Silhouette Cameo. You saw my little work stuff in the background, but yes. So on the left hand side, you got your station for your blades or your pins or whatever you're gonna cut with, or cut or draw or score with. Just like on the Silhouette Cameo 1, 2, 3, and 4 non-pro. And then on the left hand side you have your piece that you hold you hold the bar with. I can't think of it. And the difference with this machine is you get the guards. You get an additional like 2 guards that are adjustable. So yeah, I'll stop talking. Maybe I can get into more like specifics when I show myself like working with it. But yeah, I'll just let you guys go ahead and watch the rest of the unboxing and leave me alone. Yeah, see, as you can see the little lever thing yeah. But like I said, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy it. And so I couldn't figure out how to do the trays. So I was trying to read the little instruction thing, had gotten it out, trying to see if it'll tell me how to do it, but it doesn't. The instructions, they don't tell you much about like how to. It didn't really help none. It was better to just go, like, all those papers were just pointless. It's better to just go on to either the Silhouette website and go from their videos, or just go to YouTube and type in how to set it up. But I'm going to shoot a video. Hopefully I'll remember to make a video of how to do it if I didn't do it in this video. I don't remember, to be honest. I'm just up here trying to edit it right quick, and yeah, we'll see though. If it's not in this video, then I'll definitely create a video stating it. And that was me explaining that that paper didn't help at all. I got it completely wrong, as you're probably gonna see in a few seconds. Did I think I showed it? Yeah, I think I did. But yeah, that didn't help at all. I got it completely wrong. So that is the unboxing of the Silhouette Cameo Pro 24-inch. Now I have to go and figure out how to put the tray together, but I won't really be needing it anyway, so I don't know about that. But yeah, so I am going to get to work because now I have stuff to cut and something to cut it with other than the little 12-inch. So yeah, thank you for watching and coming back, and maybe I'll do more in the future actually using these machines. All right.